Hi guys, it's Jamie with Loving All Seasons, and today I have an amazing shop with me that you don't want to miss and a haul. We've all been talking about it, we've been looking for them, and I found it. So stick around, watch the shop with me, and see what happens.
Okay guys, I'm on the hunt for these Wizard of Oz, so let's see. Checking Home Goods and TJ Maxx. Alright, first thing we see this Tuesday are all these darling oranges and lemon display items. I love this big orange juice, but that thing was heavy, you guys. It is $39.99, but it was gorgeous. I'm not going to lie, if you have some type of theme, and these cups were adorable. They're almost like teacups. Those were $12.99. And then you saw the canister at the beginning. They had these. These were really cute. If you're doing like a cactus, something like that type of theme, that would look really adorable. The set was $19.99, and I think by themselves they were $12. But you see the cookie jar, the lemon cookie jar. I'm not quite sure why they chose it to say cookie. And then for the orange, it says tea. Those are $19.99. I really did like those as canisters. I think that would be really pretty in the display. I also found this one random queso and chip platter, which I liked. I wish it was bigger. I think if it was larger, it'd be something that I would use. A lot of the stuff had mustard. Oh, the salt and pepper shakers. Those were really nice. $12.99. And then they're getting in the all the Latin themed canisters and mugs. So those are really nice. This bowl was gorgeous. That was very heavy as well. I didn't get the lemonade. I love that, but I already have the skinny one. That one was $24, which I'm not sure why that one was $24, but the orange juice was $39.99. I'm almost positive. Here's some more of the canisters. One says coffee and tea. I feel like they mislabeled those. To me, it really doesn't go. But comment below. Tell me what you think, why they chose those words for that. This was just a really beautiful end cap. I love that navy blue with the lemon theme. You guys, this was so adorable. This little bird house. Be Sweet. It was so cute. It honestly reminded me of Winnie the Pooh. It was $19.99. I think anybody doing a bee theme, that would be really adorable with your bee and lemon theme. This was salt and pepper shakers I don't think we had seen. All right, now we are in TJ Maxx. Not much in here. This was $19.99, but I think I showed you some of the smaller ones. This is really cute for my bee lovers. TJ Maxx, $16.99. Okay, now we're in Marshall's, and here is some more of that breakfast stuff that I was telling you. I love that plate. That is just so adorable. They have, they're bringing out the Paradise mugs, the Miami mugs, the seashell mugs. So they had a lot of that. And then here are these adorable little for Sundays. I think these will go great if you're planning on a party or even just to add it to a Sunday display. It says nuts, cherries, sprinkles, and candy. Those are $14.99, and that cherry on top would be perfect to also go in a Sunday display. And I think I've showed you some of these other items that were there before, but This was new, this Paradise, like chip and dip thing. These were some new mom mugs that I hadn't seen yet. This has a beautiful, I think they're called daffodils, with the yellow inside. This beautiful, I love grandma mug. It was this coral color, you guys. I absolutely loved it. And then, all right, guys, look at what I spotted. I wish I could have played you guys my actual reaction in the store. I was so excited, but the music, in my stores are loud. And I'm trying not to be too crazy, so I diverted my attention to this little canister that said hold, and then there was the Mr. and Mrs., but they had the If I Only Had a Brain and Big Heart. I was ecstatic. This was on April 7th. And then the same day I ended up running over, I saw this Bippity Boppity Boo, which I really love this mug, but it would have been just one of those random mugs that I have. That shoe on there is very pretty. They also had this iridescent I Love Mom mug. Okay, guys, here are the other ones. So this is Home Goods. I went back on Friday morning and they had the Dorothy ones, which I am in love. I could not believe that I found those. One set on Thursday, the other set, part of it on Friday. But I'm also showing you guys this container. I thought was really neat. It was a different shape. It was $14.99. I really did like this container. I thought it was nice. Also, I know I kind of speed through here, but they're starting to bring the Father's Day mugs into my store. I'm also showing you here that my TJ Maxx now has the Friends items. Only my Home Goods had it, so if anybody's in the Ann Arbor, Ypsilanti area, you need to check it out.
Guys, can you believe that, what I saw in the stores? So, I just want to say this real quick. If you are new to the channel, my name is Jamie. I'm with Jamie Loving All Seasons. And on this channel, I love to do shop with me's, hauls, home tours, decorate with me's, a little of this, a little of that. So if that's something that you want to watch, stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You want to hit the bell so you don't miss anything, and it will notify you every time I upload a video. You guys, I just have to say this. I have been talking about the Wizard of Oz mugs ever since I saw one on one of the new releases. That was one of my favorite movies growing up. As a kid, I loved it, and I love the new version of it. So I knew this was a collection, like the actual collection. I usually will buy a piece here, a piece there. But I really wanted this, and I was like, please let me find them. Well, we were in luck this week. Yes, I have the dates on there that I found them in my stores. So you guys saw that, but there's canisters that I am on the lookout for. But let's get into this haul so you guys can see the items up close. Some of the things that I purchased. This one is, I just thought it was a very pretty mug. I don't have anything like this, but it just says Mom. And I love this, and it also has a pretty pink tulip on the back with the pink on the inside. I don't have a mug that says Mom. I really like this shape of the mug. It would have been nice if someone in my family, my kids, would have went out and bought it, but they're like, she doesn't need any more mugs. But I really like this, and I thought when I also do my breast cancer awareness display, this is perfect. My mom did have breast cancer, so I like posting something, just reminding people to check that, make sure you're getting your checks. But look at how pretty that is. It's just simple. And that light pink in there is beautiful. This one I got at Marshall's. This was $6.99. So that. Then these were picked up. So this, it says, hold on here. We have nuts, sprinkles, cherries, and candy. Now, I told you that I want to do a Sunday s'mores, that whole theme for the summertime. And I thought this would be fun. This is also fun, if we have a party, we could do little sundaes. And it holds them. Let's see if I can get one of them out. So it's a good size for nuts in there, right? That's what it looks like. And each thing has a different color on the inside. And with my little ice cream thing that I just bought, I think this will be really cute. This was from Marshall's as well. And that was $14.99. So now on to what you guys have been waiting for. Right? Let's see. Hold on. Okay. I'm so excited that I found these. We'll start with each one. All right, Big Heart. You guys all know who that is. That's the Tin Man. I like this. I'm not going to lie. So, still on the hunt for the witches. Good, bad. And the Cowardly Lion. He was one of my favorites. Now, these mugs are a lot more because they are the Disney. So these are $9.99. But it has that pretty gray on the inside. And then on the bottom, it's like that. I've seen the toppers and the canisters. I'm so excited. But I'm happy that I just found these. So if I only had a brain, we all know who that is. The Scarecrow, right? And he has the pretty yellow on the inside. And this was Home Goods. And that's on the bottom. And then I found these beauties yesterday. There's no place like home. With the red, for the red ruby slippers, right? Home Goods as well. Okay. You guys, I just could not believe it. And then Follow Your Own Path. And that has the pretty blue on the inside. With Dorothy on the back. I'm so excited. You guys, I cannot believe it. This is probably, I found other stuff, but this, soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have this collection. This is something I want to keep. I could see myself even many years down the road, if say I start getting away from Ray Dunn, this is something I will totally keep. It reminds me of my childhood. I remember waiting every year on TV. They would have a special where they would play it on the TV, and that was a big deal, you know. We didn't have the Netflix where you could go on there and see it anytime or all these other streaming things. It was a big deal. So, and then the new one that came out a couple years ago, I loved it. Some people didn't like it, but I loved that one as well. I thought they did an amazing job. The colors, I loved it. But comment below, are any of you out there looking for The Wizard of Oz? Is that one? I know another big thing that's out right now, obviously, is still some of the Disney princess stuff. I know Cinderella has been out, but now they have all the other princesses coming out. There was Sleeping Beauty, Ariel, the Princess and the Frog, Tiana, I think is her name. But I have only seen, I think, the Cinderella. You guys saw, I saw the one shoe. I'm not going to lie, I really did like that. But I said, Jimmy, you don't need it. Like, I'm trying to be choosy. I really am, because I know how easy we can get all excited in the stores and we're like, I need it. And you're just grabbing it sometimes. But so that being said, what are you guys looking for? There's also all those cool breakfast line with the toast, the egg plates, the bacon plates, the orange juice. Those are really neat. There's the summer stuff coming out. So a lot of really cool things. So comment below, what are you hunting for? What is the thing like you're like, I gotta have? So that's it for the haul. It's a short haul, just the items that I told you I'm really trying to be choosy in what I pick up. You know, there's no reason to just buy everything. That's why I like to do the shop with me, is to show you guys what's in your stores. So definitely be on the lookout. Let's see, anything new that I need to tell you, upcoming events. I will have like a little Target shop with me, the Bullseye Playground area. Maybe I'll throw something else in there with it, because I don't think it's a lot, but there is some new summer stuff coming in. The other thing, just so you know, I forgot, Dunn has their 4th of July popping up now, so be on the lookout. There's some really cute canisters coming out. I think they're starting to realize we do like the smaller canisters. I know some of them are still having the big chunky ones. I personally like the smaller ones. I don't have a lot of room, so the smaller ones are much better. But a lot of exciting stuff in Dunn world right now. So yeah, just let's chat. Comment below. Give me the big thumbs up. Like I said, I'll have a Target coming out for you next week, and we'll be on the hunt for any of the other new pieces that are coming out for the Wizard of Oz. All right, you guys, be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.